Hi, everybody. So today we're gonna work out another problem. Okay. And the problem says, if at 3 feet from a radiation source, the intensity is 240 milliroentgen per hour, and you stay there for 30 minutes, you will receive an exposure of 120 milliroentgen. What would your exposure be if you moved 6 feet from the source and stayed there for 40 minutes? So right away, we can see that we have two distances. We have 3 feet and we have 6 feet. And we also have an intensity of 240 milliroentgens per hour. So as we know, if we have a dose rate or intensity, and two distances, we're going to have the inverse square law. Now, the first issue in this problem is it says the intensity is 240 milliroentgens per hour, and we stay there for 30 minutes. And they also said if we moved 6 feet from the source, what would the exposure be if we stayed there for 40 minutes? So this is 240 milliroentgen per hour. So let's put that in minutes so that everything is now in minutes. Okay, so 240 milliroentgen per hour equals 1 hour is 60 minutes. So we'll plug that into the calculator, 240 divided by 60, and I get 4. Okay, so it's going to be 4 milliroentgen per minute. Okay. Okay. So we have a distance of 3 feet. The intensity that we changed from 240 is now 4 milliroentgen a minute. And then it says that we'll receive an exposure of 120 milliroentgen. What would the exposure be if you move 6 feet? Okay, so we have intensity 1 is now 4 milliroentgen a minute. Distance 1 is 3 feet. Intensity 2 is, we don't know what the intensity is. And the distance we know is now 6 feet. Okay. So intensity 1 is 4, intensity 2 is X. Distance 2 is 6. Distance 1 is 3. And then we're going to square that. So 3 goes into 6, 2. 2 to the second power is 4. Okay, equals 4 over X. Okay, we just multiply by X on each side. Okay, 4 goes into 4. one time. Okay, so then 1 is the new intensity. So what would your exposure be if you moved 6 feet from the source? Okay, so we know it's going to be 1 milliroentgen per minute, and we stayed there for 40 minutes. Well, total intensity, the formula is dose times time. Okay. So hard to write with this. Okay. Total intensity equals the dose, which is 1, times, and we stayed there for 40 minutes, so it's 40. So the total intensity is 40 milliroentgen per second. Okay, I hope this helped. Thank you, and we will see you again soon.